creative art. I am Nilima, and in today's tutorial we are going to make Valentine's themed tissue texture art, and I'm also going to show you how to make your own tissue texture paste at home so that you can create this kind of beautiful texture paintings for yourself. And friends, do subscribe to Creative Art so you get to see my next tutorial, which is based on different types of texture art. So you don't make a plain canvas painting like this. Instead, you create a beautiful texture piece like this one. Now let's start the tutorial, friends. I'm using a 6x6 canvas. So let's do the drawing part on it. Now let's make the texture paste for our texture art. First of all, pour some lukewarm water in a bowl. Next, I'm using small tissue papers. You can also use toilet papers. And then tear them up into small pieces. Get some more. Try to blend in all the tissue paper in water so it gets nicely wet and you get small bits and bits of paper like this. Once you see that you have got the paper mesh, pick it up in another container. Okay, so here I have the bits of paper. Now I have selected 3 colors. This is light pink, pink and red. So first of all, I'm going to add just a little bit of light pink and mix light pink with the paper mesh. Okay, so light pink is ready. I will transfer it to my palette. This is light pink. For next color, I'll take some more of paper mesh. Remove the excess water. And then I'm going to add pink 18 color. This is a very beautiful and bright pink color. Mix it well. And then transfer it to my palette. For the next step, I'll take some more. And then finally, let's add red. So we're going to add a lot of red because we need it to be bright red. So I have to add a lot of color here. And again, I'll transfer it to my palette. So now our palette is ready, our base is ready. Let's start the most important part, that is to make the paste ready for our art. So pick up the wet tissue with color and then add glue in it. We have to mix it thoroughly so that it absorbs the glue completely. The glue is very important for binding, so do not forget this step. As soon as you add glue and mix in it, you have to start doing the texture art part. Next, we are going to use the pink color. I'll lay small pieces. Here I'm using a ball tool. You can also use a pin or a pen nib, anything that you find suitable to do this part. Now let's add red. In the same way, I'm going to make the rest of the hearts. I finally completed making this, so I will let it get dry completely for at least 2 days. And this is how beautiful it has turned out. You can clearly see the different layers that we have made. I absolutely love this piece. Now let's make the next color for this heart, which is pink and red. So I'm going to take the pink tissue, add a lot of glue in it, and then mix. So here my dark pink is ready. Let's place it. In the same way, I have prepared the red texture paste. So I'll place the quantity needed. And using my ball tool, I'll press everything down and give it a heart shape. Now after completing making the hearts, let's color the background. So first I'm going to use some red and color the sides. After the red got dry, I have used masking tape to tape the border because now we're going to use a black. So now I'm using black. Gently outline the entire heart. In the same way, I have outlined the sketch that we have made, and now let's remove the masking tape. In the same way, I have made one more bigger canvas with small hearts, and I'm going to fill all these hearts using red texture paste that we have made. I would just fill in the hearts first, and then using my ball tool, I'll start giving it shape. In the same way, I have made all these hearts, and this is how beautiful all of them look. So now friends, I have decided to color one heart out of all these as gold. So now using some gold color, let's color one heart as gold. And now finally, this is how beautiful our textured art has turned out. I absolutely love the plum hearts that we have got, and look at these pieces. The rainbow heart is just a steal at any spot. I absolutely love how bright the colors look, plus the texture it shows up. Everyone just wants to touch it. And this piece is a sneak peek of the beautiful texture art that I'm going to show you in my next tutorial. So friends, don't forget to subscribe, do like and comment if you have any doubts about this tutorial, and I will be sure to reply you. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.